Hey, what's up guys, it's Dilio, and today we are going to be going over how to build a daily bias with our bots. So this is going to be how you can log in every single day, take a look at the market and plan what your day is going to look like, where you're going to look to long, where you're going to look to short, and if you even want to trade at all, if it's going to be choppy. Let's take a look here. We have levels, daily and H4 support and resistance. Again, you've probably seen, but these come from our support and resistance bots. We offer this on Bitcoin and Ethereum as well as Sol, and it's on the daily and 4 hour. In the click of a button, these levels will generate for you, and they're pulled from 3 years worth of data, so they are very strong levels. So once you have these charted onto your chart, every single day you can come in, update those inside of the Discord, take a look, and have your levels mapped out. So this gives you a clear resistance currently and a clear support. So price could range like this, but you can have plans where if we flip this, you can target the next area. If we break down, you could target the next area. This just gives you a general idea of where you want to look to long or short, and you can do this on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you can see here, Ethereum is currently rejected from resistance, bouncing from some support, bounced a few times already, putting in an inverse head and shoulders potentially. You start to flip these levels up, you can look for higher levels, flip this level, play it level to level, right? As always, if you lose this, you can fill in some of the gap here and you can look for shorts, sweep down and reclaim, you can look for some longs, right? This will allow you to build a bias on the levels that you're looking at for the day. These are pulled from 3 years worth of data, so these are very, very concrete levels that you can play with. Now inside the Discord, we also have some other things that you can look at when you sign on to start your day. One of those is the heat map spot. Click any of these timeframes and it will give you a snapshot of the altcoin market and where they are sitting on their RSIs. So you can see if we go to the daily, a lot of stuff is oversold right now. We've sold off in the market for the last few weeks, to be honest, at this point, and a lot of stuff is sitting oversold. This gives you an idea that if we start flipping some levels, there is some moves to be had on altcoins. And obviously you can go down to the lower time frames to get a more granular look at things. Some days you'll wake up and the 1 hour will be totally oversold or totally overbought. And if you wake up, you see Bitcoin and Ether at some form of resistance. You've got altcoins super overbought on the lower time frames. Maybe you start looking for some shorts. Another bot you can get a general bias, funding bot. Click lower high funding. It will give you a snapshot of the highest and lowest funding in the market. Some coins to keep on your radar. IDEX with a minus 1.7% funding. That's quite high. Maybe there's something there to play. Another one is the volume bot. See what's got the most volume in the market in the last 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Just build a general bias of maybe these coins are worth trading because they have the most volume. Maybe it's a low volume weekend or we're chopping around and you want to look for those coins with volume. This is a bot to do that. These are just a few bots that we offer, as well as the levels from the support and resistance for you guys to build a general daily bias every time you log on to have an idea of how you want to trade for the day.